Hi there, I'm Scott. I'm the Teen Library Assistant here over at the Carteret County Public Library in Beaufort. And today I'm going to show you all how to make a potion. It's a fun little prop that you can use for any of your tabletop RPG sessions or just as a little display in your house. It's a very open-ended project, so don't feel like you have to use what's shown here. But without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so for today's craft, I'm going to be using some cotton balls, a cork, some glitter, these plastic stars, some twine, food coloring, and a bottle of water. Alright, so first up, I'm going to take the bottle of water and take the twine and just kind of wrap it around the neck of the bottle here. And just doesn't matter if it looks bad or not. In fact, I actually think the more rugged look really adds to the aesthetic. It'll take a little bit of time, but it's not too bad. Alright. And once you get it on there, you can just tie it together. Like so. And feel free to cut off any of the excess if you want to. So, just cut off a bit there. And a bit there. That's good. Alright, so next up, I'm going to add in some food coloring to try to get the desired color. Let's put in some blue. Mix it in there. Oh yeah, looks nice. And maybe add in a hint of green as well. I've probably used a little too much food coloring, but the more you use, the deeper the color you get. Alright, so now that you got it mixed in, what you're going to want to do is take a cotton ball and actually just unroll it until you get it to look kind of thin and spider-webby. So, something sort of like this. And you're just going to want to shove it into the bottom. Now, the reason why we're doing this is to help try to get the potion a little bit of texture. Helps really make it pop, and also it helps to hold up both the glitter and the plastic stars. Alright, so now that I got a layer of the cotton balls in there, I'm going to take just a tad bit of the glitter and just drop it in there. Don't use too much now. A little bit goes a long way. So that's probably good. And you can experiment and use all sorts of different colors for the glitter too. Alright, and then once you dump in the glitter, just mix it up together. And if the camera really picks it up, yeah, you can really see it shimmer now. Now that the glitter's in there, I'm actually just going to go ahead and take these stars and just dump them in here. And you should really see them swirl about in there when you shake it up. And I'll get caught on the styrofoam too, so it'll help make it look a little fancier. Oh, they're not all just at the bottom or on the top. You can see right there. Alright, so you're going to want to keep playing around with it until you get the desired look that you want. There's no real right or wrong way to do it, and honestly you can really just use anything. But I think this came out pretty decent. And they don't have to look anything alike, trust me. In fact, I think the variety really kind of adds to the feel and the flavor of the potions. Like, this could be a health potion, this could be a mana potion. They do different things, they look different. So, I'd like to thank you all for watching. If you have any other interest in doing anything crafty or anything else DIY, feel free to stop by the library. We have plenty of other books available for you to check out. Until next time, take care.